All right, let's just get right into it. Right now, the entire manufacturing world is experiencing this massive, fundamental shift. We are moving away from manual, siloed paperwork and stepping straight into the era of AI-augmented operations. It's not just a small upgrade, it's a total transformation of how actual intelligence flows across your entire enterprise. Okay, let's dive into this paradox because it's something we see all the time. Your company is likely generating thousands upon thousands of documents. But when a machine suddenly goes down or you've got an intense audit looming, finding that one piece of critical engineering knowledge is, well, it's nearly impossible. It's like looking for a needle in a digital haystack.
And here is where it really hurts. Your top talent, your brilliant engineers, they're losing precious hours just sifting through completely disconnected PDFs, lost manuals, and static compliance files. Let's be real, your highly skilled engineers absolutely shouldn't be forced to act like administrative assistants. It's a massive drain on your resources.
And this brilliantly illustrates the solution, the AI-powered industrial documentation ecosystem. Think of this as your magic sword. It's the tool that steps in and intelligently transforms all those dead, static documents into a living, highly searchable, active enterprise knowledge base. It totally flips the script. Now I know the tech jargon can get a bit heavy, so let's just demystify it and break it down simply. First, you have OCR, which is essentially just taking physical paper and turning it into actual, usable data. Then there's semantic search. This doesn't just look for keywords, it actually understands the true meaning and context of your technical language. And finally, RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. That's what generates the insights, literally giving your static technical manuals a voice to just answer your questions directly. So, what does this actually look like in practice? Well, imagine having an AI assistant that can instantly search, summarize, and even generate your most critical paperwork. We're talking standard operating procedures, maintenance and inspection reports, risk assessments, compliance docs, quality management files, and technical manuals. I mean, to put that into perspective, one aerospace leader literally saved over 200 hours every single month just on compliance automation alone. That is huge. And look, if you're thinking this is just some experimental pilot project, it's really not. A recent 2025 finding from McKinsey shows that a staggering 88% of organizations are already using AI. 88%. So this is now a baseline industry standard. The reality is, if you aren't optimizing your operations right now, you are absolutely falling behind. But the really crucial point here is the undeniable business ROI. We are talking about drastically reduced administrative workloads, way faster real-time decision-making, ironclad compliance, and much better retention of that expert knowledge, all of which leads to increased productivity and significantly lower operational costs. In fact, by using AI predictive frameworks for proactive maintenance, thermal power plants have reduced their overall operational costs by up to 35%.
Now, I want to address the elephant in the room. AI is absolutely not here to replace human expertise. Instead, think of it as a co-pilot. It's here to completely remove that heavy administrative burden we talked about earlier. It empowers your engineers to work smarter, to make much safer, faster decisions, and ultimately to focus on what they do best, high-level innovation.
So I want to leave you with this one thought. Just think about your absolute best people. What could your team build, what could they design, and what could they truly achieve if they weren't constantly buried in mountains of documents? It's time to unleash your team's true innovative potential.